This is a short demo function check of a used Yashica T3D camera. Comes with a case that's pretty worn, as you can see. Instruction manuals with all the pages. Camera does have some scrapes and dings on them, scratches, but it's pretty good. Let's insert the battery. Let's see, the compartment's clean. Put the battery in. Now you can see there's a number on display, 0. The shield opens and closes. There's a time date on the back. Now we'll insert some film. And you can see it advanced to number 1 position. It also has this NA scope, so you can look at things at an angle. If you look and put my hand, you see my hand above. It's got the flash thing. Oh, you have to open it so you can turn the flash on and off. So we'll put it off right now and snap a picture. Put it on. It's on now. Snap a picture and you'll see the flash go off. Okay. Turn it off again. And we'll do the self timer. Okay, timer's on. Push it, and you see it, the red light flashing, the self timer's on. And took a picture after 10 seconds. And that's pretty much to show that it's all working. Right? Thanks for watching.